Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling editing on the exact layer that holds the vertex you want removed. Make sure snapping is appropriate so you don't break topology. Next, choose the Vertex tool from the Digitizing toolbar or the Advanced Digitizing panel. This gives direct access to individual nodes. Once the tool is active, zoom close to the vertex so you can clearly see neighboring segments and their angles. This reduces accidental edits and prepares you to perform a precise deletion without altering geometry unintentionally. With the Vertex tool active, click the specific node. You should see it highlighted. Press the Delete key or right-click and choose Remove Vertex to delete it. This merges adjacent segments automatically in most geometries. If you must preserve attributes or complex topology, hold Ctrl while selecting multiple vertices or use the Undo history to test changes. Once deleted, pan and inspect the segment shape and connected features. This confirms the deletion didn't create overlaps or invalid geometry that could break downstream analysis. Once you're satisfied, save your edits to write the change to the layer. Saving also updates any spatial indexes. If issues arise, run Qgis check geometry or the topology checker to find problems and use fixed geometries to repair simple faults. If the deletion caused unintended gaps, revert the edit, nudge adjacent vertices, and try again. For batch deletions, always work on a saved copy so you can recover if many features are affected. This protects your data while you make precise topology edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.